Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create tags in Clickup. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Clickup application. Then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From here, go to your project in which you want to add or create tags. Then on the left side of your screen you can see tags option. Click on tags. From there you can search tag or create a new tag. This is how you can create tags in Clickup. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.